Tutor. Let's learn CVC Phonics. B, A, G, B, A, G, bag, bag. Your turn to read, children. B, A, D, B, A, D, bad, bad. Your turn to read, children. B, A, T, B, A, T, bat, bat. Your turn to read, children. K, A, R, K, A, R, car, car. Your turn to read, children. K, A, T, K, A, T, cat, cat. Your turn to read, children. K, A, B, K, A, B, cab, cab. Your turn to read, children. K, A, P, K, A, P, cap, cap. Your turn to read, children. D, A, D, D, A, D, dad, dad. Your turn to read, children. A, N, A, N, fan, fan. Your turn to read, children. A, R, A, R, far, far. Your turn to read, children. A, T, A, T, fat, fat. Your turn to read, children. G, A, B, G, A, B, gab, gab. Your turn to read, children. A, M, A, M, ham, ham. Your turn to read, children. A, T, A, T, hat, hat. Your turn to read, children. J, A, R, J, A, R, jar, jar. Again. J, A, M, J, A, M, jam, jam. Again. L, A, B, L, A, B, lab, lab. Again. L, A, D, L, A, D, lad, lad. Again. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. Bag, bad, bat, car, cat, cab, cap, dad, fan, far, fat, gab, ham, hat, jar, jam, lab, lad. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.